Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll talk about a super easy but effective way to improve your English without setting aside extra study time. Playing English audio while you do chores. Yes, you can learn while washing dishes, folding laundry, cleaning your room, or even cooking dinner. It's about turning your everyday tasks into an opportunity to surround yourself with English. Section 1. Why this works. One of the biggest challenges in learning English is finding time. Many learners think they need hours of quiet study every day. But here's the truth. You don't need more time. You just need to use your time differently. When you play English audio in the background, your brain gets constant exposure to the sounds, rhythm, and flow of the language. Even if you're not focusing 100%, your ears are still picking it up. It's like living in an English-speaking country. You hear the language around you, and little by little, it becomes more familiar and natural. Section 2. Choosing the right audio. Not all audio is the same. You want to pick something that's clear and natural. Podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube videos designed for learners. Interesting to you. Choose topics you actually enjoy so it feels fun, not boring. At your level, if it's too difficult, you'll get frustrated. If it's too easy, you won't learn much. For beginners, simple English podcasts or children's audiobooks are great. For intermediate learners, TED Talks, English learning YouTubers, or short news stories work well. Advanced learners can listen to native podcasts, audiobooks, or even radio shows. Section 3. Passive versus active listening. When you play audio while doing chores, most of the time it's passive listening. You're not focused 100%. Your hands are busy, but your ears are still working. That's good, because passive listening builds familiarity with the language, but you can also mix in active listening. For example, if you hear a new phrase, pause for a second and repeat it. If you catch a sentence you like, shadow it while you're working. If you hear something you don't understand, make a mental note and check later. This combination of passive and active listening is powerful. It keeps your brain engaged without feeling like heavy study. Section 4. Example daily routine. Let's imagine your day. Morning. While brushing your teeth or making breakfast, play a 5-minute English podcast. Afternoon. When doing laundry or tidying your room, play a 15-minute English audiobook. Evening. While cooking dinner or washing dishes, listen to a YouTube video in English. Without even noticing, you've had 30-40 minutes of English exposure. All while doing chores you had to do anyway. That's like creating a little English environment in your own home. Section 5. Tips to stay consistent. Here are some tips to make this habit stick. Prepare your audio in advance. Make a playlist of podcasts or audiobooks so you don't waste time choosing. Use wireless earphones. They give you freedom to move around while listening. Start small. Just 10 minutes a day is enough at first. Connect chores with English. For example, every time you wash dishes, it's English time. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small daily exposure adds up over weeks and months. So remember, you don't need extra hours in your schedule. Just play English audio while doing chores. Every little bit counts. The more you hear English, the more natural it becomes, and the easier it will be to speak and understand in real life. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical English learning tips. Keep listening, keep practicing, and soon English will be a natural part of your daily life.